Hello everyone.
This is Diamond from Zhengzhou Machinery.
This is Hank from Zhengzhou Machinery.
Today we will introduce our forestry machinery
Yes.
in live room.
Yes. And today is we mainly introduce our forest machine. Also, we'll introduce our the tap cutter machine and other. The animal machine.
Yeah, our factory mainly supplies all kinds of forestry machinery and feed processing machinery, and we have many types of machine, and we export many countries every year.
Yes. And in this is our suppose we change the conveyor, and you can see it shows our machines and our mainly sales machine, and
Yes.
we can introduce to our customers and let our customers face to face learn our selling machine. Okay.
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Okay,
Let's see
we see
machines.
our catalog.
Yes.
Our forestry machinery mainly the wood chipper, wood sawdust, wood brush, and wood shaving machine.
Yes.
Okay, let's we see the catalog. This tab is our small modern wood chipper. It has 4 wheels and very easily move. And it uses the gas engine and also use electrical and diesel engine. The capacity about 400 to 1,500 kg 1 hour. It's very suitable for the garden and another the small wood and logs. The max diameter is for 6 cm for this machine.
Yes.
It's very suitable for personal use.
Yes.
And this tab is our big type wood chipper. And for this tab, we have many models. For the smallest is our 420, and the biggest is our 1,200 tab.
Yes.
And yeah, this also we can use the electric motor and diesel engine.
Yes.
And we are manufacturer and we are factory, so we can custom the machine according to your request, like the color and the wheels and so on. We can customize.
Yes. And for this machine, and if you need for processes wood branch or some the forest waste, you can use this machine. But attention one point: this machine usually is like a motor is the three-phase motor.
Yes.
Is used for you need the bigger capacity. The wood chips is suitable.
Yeah, and it has the import we have the this tab and this tab. The biggest the max the diameter about 30 cm.
Yes.
300 millimeter for wood chipper, and the final pieces for chippers about 20 millimeter to 50 millimeter.
Yes. And you can see this is the machine, the final pieces.
Yeah, this is the final pieces.
Yes, this is a machine. The material like the wood log, the bamboo, the wood board, and the finer, the branch is okay. You can use our machine process them.
Yes. Okay, let's see another tab. Yeah, this tab, the yellow tab is our wood brush machine.
Yes.
Yeah, it's this tab we can use diesel engine and electrical motor, and has two wheels or three or four wheels. We can customize them.
Yes. And for this machine, some customer is in the garden, the city garden processes the branch waste. You can use this machine.
Yes, this tab we have two tabs, and this is small tabs. We used the 22 kilowatt or 32 horsepower the
Yes.
engine,
Yes.
and the capacity about 1,000 to 5,000 kg 1 hour. And this tab use the this tab is the big tab. We use the 100 horsepower engine or or 75 kilowatts,
Yes.
and the capacity about 5,000 kg 1 hour.
Yes.
It's very big, and the max diameter for big tab is about 25 cm, 250 millimeter for big tab, and the small tab about 12 cm, 120 millimeter, and the final piece is about 10 millimeter. It's very suitable for the garment for cutting the garden branches.
Yes. And some climate is chooses make the wood chips or wood sawdust like the fertilizer and for their farm, or yes, or make the directly burn is okay.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see another tab. Another catalog.
Yes. This is also is belong our the forest machine.
Yeah. This is our wood crusher machine, wood hammer mill machine.
Yes, it's very hard sorting.
Yeah. It's our very hot selling tab. And this is the smallest motor. It's 420.
Yes.
The capacity about one ton to 6 ton 1 hour.
Yes.
And we can customize the machine with wheels and with the diesel engine. That diesel engine is 15 horsepower, and electric motor is 11.
11
kilowatts.
Yes.
And the max diameter for wood about 100 millimeter. Yeah. And
Yes.
there are the different screen in the machine internal,
Yes.
and we can change the screen, and then we can get the different sets of the final pieces.
Yes, and for this machine, user is multifunction. You also can process the wood branch, wood log, and some customer can process the corn cob, the straw, even some you feed animals. The green also is okay.
Yeah.
And for this diesel engine, you can see this picture is with this electric start. It's very easy start.
Yes. And we can customize the tractor
Yes.
and PTO tab.
Yes.
It's very easy in with the tractor.
Yes. You know, some our customer is have their own farm and they want to use this machine, but you know their area is have no enough electric or use they choose purchase another engine is not suitable for directly use their tractor. So this type is suitable for them.
Yes, it's very suitable for the farmers.
Yes.
And area.
Yes.
And not an electrical area.
Yes.
And this step is we customize the exporter.
Yes.
And it's longer.
Yes.
And very suitable, very convenient for get the final pieces.
Yes. And for this is easily collect you can use one the longer tube and to collect the wood chips.
Yes.
And you can see this machine uses electric type. Also, you can use the diesel engine type. Add the automatic output, the conveyor, and easily.
Yeah, this step is very convenient for get the final pieces. This step is the 100 tab, right?
Yes.
1000 tab.
Yes.
And use 55 kilowatt the diesel.
Yes, suitable for our customer. If we have a tender or a big project, you can use this machine.
Yeah, it's suitable for the bigger factory.
Yes.
And another want processing another the wood logs for this step.
Suitable have a line. Line processes much wood log, wood branch. You can consider this machine.
Yeah. This step is very good.
Yes.
For this is our wood shaving machine. Yeah. For this machine, we can use the logs and get the wood shaving for animals beating.
Yes. Also can some small trick, the small trick bed, and after you can mix the shavings and other make a fertilizer. Also, if we have some customer for own use want to some the fill the pack, usually when the goods shipping is afraid the shipping question and you will fill the savings. This machine is okay.
Yeah, and for many customer purchase this type of machine for farmers, the animals like the horse,
Yes.
the duck, the chicken, and so on.
Yes.
It's very suitable for the animal breeding.
Yes.
And this type we can customize another type, and there are the hammers and the screen in the
Yes.
machine internal, and we can get the different size of the shaving.
Yes, it's more finer and small.
Yeah, small and big. We can get the different size. Okay. This type is our wood sawdust machine,
Yes.
and we can use the electrical motor and the diesel engine also.
Yes.
In the machine internal, it has big hammers and the different size of the screen.
Yes. And through the wind is blow out the wood sawdust, and through this tuber, and you can use some bag or others, and collect the wood sawdust.
Yeah. This type machine has two imports.
Yes.
And one import is for wood logs, and another output in there, and for the chippers and brushes, very small chippers
Yes.
in there, and you can get the very small sawdust.
Yes, you are some customer. You want to process the wood block, the wood scrap, like you process the furniture, the small board or chips. Can use this feeding pot directly feed.
Yeah. And this type of mainly used for the also used feeding animals, and for another used for this type
Yes.
the wood pellet.
Yes.
Yeah. After this type machine, you can get the very small sawdust, and then this is a wood pellet machine.
Yes.
Put the sawdust in there. You can get the wood pellet.
Yes, some customer from American or European, they will choose the wood pellet in the winter, burn it.
Yes.
Yes, and more customer know and choose the wood pellet. Usually match the wood sawdust machine is a simple line and very suitable.
Yes. And this machine is very stronger,
Yes.
and the capacity is very bigger.
Yes.
And for this this machine, get the wood pellet, it's very hard, and
Yes.
burn is very longer
Yes.
for this.
Okay, and the below the machines also is a line. You can see the have a collector equipment, and the remove the dust equipment, and over the wood sawdust machine.
Yes, it's the equipment line for the remove and sawdust. Okay, let's see this tab. The wood spelling machine. Yeah, this tab we have also many tabs, and for electrical motor we usually use,
Yes.
and this for the wood, mainly used for wood logs and getting the half and half.
Yes, and for so is only easily process the wood branch, but is suitable for many customer, and they want to just easy cutting the branch and
Yes.
then use this machine is okay for them.
Yes.
And the last type also is the process. The function is same with our other wood machine, but
Yeah. It's drum
yes,
type.
yes, and have a conveyor can directly feed the process, the branch or some wood log is okay.
Yeah. It's very stronger for this type, and it uses the electric motor, 40, 75
Yes.
kilowatts,
Yes.
and very strong, and it can make the very big, the diameter very big wood logs. It's very strong, very good this machine.
Yes, usually have a process wood line. This machine is very important, and the process much the branch the log is okay.
Yeah. Okay, let's we see the machine working video and the catalog and
Yes.
the pictures, and
Yes.
we can in instruction the details for machine.
Yes.
Okay.
If
That's the way.
yes, if you have any question about our machine or you have interest you want to know, yeah, in our live room is we are face to face contact. You can ask us and send your question in the live room. We can see your message and reply you.
Okay.
Okay, first we can see our the machine of wood crusher machine. About wood crusher machines, the hot sorting is the smallest type with this type. You can see the machine video is we test the machine for process the branch and the straw. You know, some customer not only process the branch and also they want to process some straw for feed animal, and this machine is okay, and this machine is matches the 11 kilowatt motor and have enough power. You can see the final pieces in the video is small, and this is we use the 10 millimeter the screens and get the wood chips and the straw chips. Also, you can use this machine for feed some green, the straw and the branch is okay. You can see it's very small about the chips. And for this is also is the smallest type wood crusher machine, but is diesel engine. You can see the video is electric star is easy star, and you can process the wood log and directly get the wood chips. Now please wait.
Okay. Let's we see this type is our the diesel engine type, and the diesel engine with wheels, and this is our in our factory we use the wood logs for the wooden chippers, and this time we use 80 millimeter the screen,
Yes.
and the final piece is very small.
Yes.
Okay.
For these wood chips, you can use for fertilizer is okay, or you can use more small make a wood pellet.
Yeah, this tab is our the track tab.
Yes.
It's our wood sawdust machine. This is the machine with the tractor, and this tab we many custom purchased because they are in their rear, not the electrical motor, and for this it's very convenient for there.
Yes, we have a customer asks in the message which size wood can process about our wood crushing machine.
Which size wood can process, and we have many models for wood chipper, different types, different models, and we can process the different size of logs.
Yes.
And if you have any interest in, you can click the chat and
Yes.
our catalog and
Yes.
send an inquiry for us, and we will contact with you.
Yes.
Okay, let's say this tab, and this is our the big tab, the
Yes.
1000 modern wood crusher.
Yes. Can process the big wood branch. You can see the video. The branch is longer and the diameter also is big.
Yeah, it's automatic the outlet, and with this tab we use the diesel engine. It's 100 kilowatts for diesel engine,
Yes.
and there are also the tractor, and very easily for move and
Yes.
wheels. This tab is very strong.
Yes. If you have own the big project process much wood, you can choose the machine and match a longer conveyor, and you will get a simple line process wood.
And we see the picture.
Yes.
And this is the final pieces, and
Yes.
this is the wrist.
Yes, the millet. About we compare the small wood sawdust compare with millet.
Yes, and this is compare, and our final piece is very small.
Yes, this is we use the 2.5 millimeter the screen.
Yes, and this is our the well, the machine with wheels type, and very easily to move.
Yes,
And
and
this is also the diesel engine type, and we use 15 horsepower
yes,
and electrical starter.
yes,
And this is a picture. It's our very hot selling tab for this.
yes,
And this is our delivery picture. And we usually shipping it for the wooden case
yes,
for wood. And the final piece is the picture.
yes.
Yeah, you can see the very small. Yeah, we have different screen for machine.
Yes.
You can see the different size fan pieces is different. This is 20 millimeter the screen and the fan pieces. And this is 16 the screen.
Yes.
And this is the 12 screen. 12, 12, yeah. It's 10 millimeter. And it's 8 millimeter. Smallest is 3 millimeter.
Yes.
The screen. And this is the corn cob.
Yes.
The fan pieces. Corn cob. Yeah, also our wells tab. And the tractor tab, the PTO tab.
Yes. Oh, and this is to video, and we can directly open this machine video and make our customer learn our machine.
Yes.
This is show how to install the screen. You know, we have many type of screen for make the different size wood chips. You can see it's easy operate.
Yes. Very many customers need it.
Yes. And after you purchase our machine, is not need worry. We will send to you all details and how to install the feeding port and change the screen.
And let's we see the wood chippers.
Yes. The wood chipper machine also is hard selling, like some special area like Russia, and they have many wood and only need the wood chippers or some country from the Asian like Malaysia or Philippines also, and is hard selling for this wood chipper machine.
Yeah. This is a picture of this type machine. And the size of inlet.
Yes.
This tab is our 600 tab.
Yes. You can according to the feeding pot size and choose you need to process the wood diameter, or you can directly contact us and we will offer our special or suggestion and recommend the suitable machine.
Yes. Yeah, this picture is our the outlet, the size,
Yes.
and this is a final pieces for this type machine. I just said the final pieces size about 20 millimeter to 50 millimeter. Yeah, very result.
Yes, for this machine also have someone use machine. You know, they want to the electric factory. You know, for fire electric factory is okay. And also, if you some customer want to make a paper, yes,
Yes.
the material is wood. They need make the wood branch and for cutting the small tips, then can use these wood chips as a material for make a wood paper. Okay, this is a video about.
This is our another type wood chipper. It's a smaller type
Yes.
for with the branch machine.
Yes.
Like you see the machine video. Yeah, this the real material is the corn.
Yeah, corn straw.
With corn.
You can see this also is multifunction. You can use this machine process the green or dry corn straw of the animal. Yeah, it's okay. And you can use this machine is small and easily move and have the gasoline engine type, diesel engine type, or electric type.
Yes, this is the final pieces. Please check. The effect is very, very good.
Yes, the cattle or sheep is like this, and directly feed animals is okay.
Yeah. This step, this video is our the cutting wood branches.
Yes.
And this step we use electric motor.
Yeah.
The motor is 4 kilowatt.
Yes, you can see the wood branch or the green branch also is okay and directly and easily process.
Yeah, it has the 4 wheels and very easily to move.
Yes. Have one hand you operate the tool and directly move. This video is process the branch. Also is our customer mainly choose the function. You can feed about 3 or 2 the branch and feeding it.
Yes. And this type mainly many customer purchase for their gardens
Yes.
and cutting the small branches and the grass also.
Yes.
Yeah, for this type.
The grass or like some others peanut straw or other straw, the stock also is okay.
Yeah, this is the final pieces, the small wood chipper.
Yes. Okay, please wait. I will introduce. Continue. And this is our customer feedback about the chipper machine. We see the machine video. You can see, like we just said, the peanut straw and the other straw. This is okay for use this machine, and we can custom this machine like the feeding pot. We can explain this feeding pot and can process more straw for one time. Also, this is belongs wood chipper machines. The final pieces about 3 to 5 centimeter, and also the thickness about 1 to 2 centimeter. You can use it for burn or make a fertilizer usually for some area like Russia, and use this machine. And now we can see some video in next. I will introduce that wood chipper machine. About this is introduced about our the small wood chipper machine. You can see the feeding pot size is bigger, and the knife, the blades. This machine you will have a cutting hand, and one cutting hand have 2 cutting the blades, and inside is the small hammer blades to crush or cutting the wood tips. You can see this is uses a gasoline engine type. The gasoline engine is 7.5 horsepower gasoline engine. Also, you can choose The diesel engine is 8 to 10 horsepower diesel engine is okay. And this is the rubber wheel, and you can see the rubber wheel is not like other the plastic wheel or steel wheel is more easily moved. And this is the tool about move the machine. And this is the machine inside the blade and the hammer blade. You can see this hammer blade. Yeah, this is the machine hall picture about the gasoline engine type. Okay, now we can see the machine working video.
Okay, let's we see the machine working video. Yeah, this is the wood chipper, our big type wood chipper.
Yes.
Yeah, this type is our 1200 type. Yeah, we use the 75 kilowatt electric motor. Yeah, it's very stronger, and the log diameter about 20 cm.
Yes.
It's very stronger.
Yes, you want to process much and longer the wood. You can use this.
Yeah, and this is our the custom
The
feedback. Yeah, for us.
Yes, or raster custom feedback video.
The rush and the weather is very cold in there, and our machine work very well.
Yes.
Please check the film pieces. It's very good.
Yes.
This is our in our factory is the machine processing. This is the more balance. Yeah, more balance for check the machine.
Yes, we need to make sure the machine the quality is okay, and then for send it to our customer.
Yeah, we have many check before our machine is shipping. Before shipping, we have many types. Yeah, it's also our custom feedback.
Yes.
Yeah, and their area is snowing.
Yes.
It's very hard, but the machine works very well.
Yes, in their area, the temperature is lower, is cold, and for this machine is save many time, and you have only need one human to process this machine and prepare the wood log or wood board, and then feed to this machine. You can get many wood chips.
Yeah, it's this is the 420 type.
Yes, the smallest type wood chipper.
Yeah, in our factory. Yeah, this is the final pieces.
Yes, this is we test in our the customer have is nearby the forest. We cutting the fresh wood branch then test.
Yes.
You can see this is
yeah.
yes,
Also our big tab,
yes,
very strong.
yes,
Yeah, we are manufacturer and we can customize it for customer requirements.
yes,
And this the outlet is the customer request for longer, and
yes.
we customize it.
As you can see,
And,
the blowout the distance is longer.
Yes.
Is not worry about the capacity question. Also, this machine the capacity is huge, but also you can get more wood chips and not clean it the wood chips. It's okay.
Yeah. Okay. Let's we see another. The wood sawdust machine.
Please wait. Please have a question about our machine video. About our the video have a question. Okay, please wait.
Okay.
Okay, let's continue. Okay, have a little question about. Okay, we can continue introduce our machine. And you can see on our desk is our the machine catalog. And after our customer receive goods, will get the catalog. We will introduce our other machines and the machine details. If you have a friend or have someone also want to need our machine, also can visit our website or contact through other the method contacts. We will offer the machines.
Yeah. Our equipment has some problem waiting.
Yes.
Our factory mainly the forestry machinery, but also we have the feeder processing machinery for the like the chip cutter and the grass crusher and the feeder pellet
Yes.
and so on. And we have and the corn, the shearer and another shearer machine. Yeah, we have also. Okay, that's we introduce the wood sawdust. Continue. Yeah, this is picture. Except with our wood sawdust, the smallest tab, the 420.
Yes.
Yeah, this is a machine internal. You can see this is our the machine blade is a is speedhead steel. High speed steel.
Yes.
It's very hardly. And this is the hammers. Yeah, you can see very big. And this is the screen. The size we have different size. And each machine has a full full taps, full blades, the moving blade. Yeah. Yeah, please. You can see the machine.
Yes.
Yeah, this is a big tab, and we have the blue and another color.
Yes, this is the machine inside the screen. The signal is.
Yes, correct. And it's about 8 millimeter.
Yes.
And this is our stock in machine. Is the plant is the usefully the material crusher is very convenient.
Yes, the machine body. The upper have the fracking. The board is for make the bigger wood chips is more easily cutting and make wood sawdust.
Yeah,
This is a video
this is a
about.
video for wood brush.
Yes. This is we get from our customers is after process the wood board. You know, for some customer process the wood branch, remove some the wood about is not used for. Then the scribe can make the wood sawdust for use make wood pellet or other machine.
Yeah, they check the final pieces. And this time we use a 3 millimeter screen.
Yes.
And the final pieces is very smallest. You can see the final pieces.
Yes.
Okay, let's see the next. The picture and yeah, this is the final pieces. For the final pieces, very smallest, and we many customers mainly use for the pellet
Yes.
for get the wood pellet. Yeah, this is the blade.
Yes.
The blade's main real material is high speed steel.
Yes.
It's very hardly for wood.
Yes.
And this is video to coconut.
For some the customer, you know, they want to process the coconut, but have no. They have not look for the situ machine. But now you can see the video. Our machine process the coconut is very good. The effort is you can process the coconut for make fertilizer. Yeah, it's okay. It's very suitable.
Yeah,
You can see.
you can see the final pieces. Like the power.
Yes,
It's very small.
it's powder, wood powder.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is processes
The
corn
corn.
cob.
Yeah,
Yes.
corn cob.
For some area, like especially feed cattle or cow, we will feed some the corn cob powder. Yeah, you can use this machine.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the corn. Corn cob. Yeah.
Yes.
So the machine very strong.
Yes.
Very strong.
Also, it's multifunction. Can process the wood and the coconut and the corn cob. Is okay.
Okay, let's see the another. Yeah, you can see the real material we used, the wood logs.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is wood logs.
Yes. Yeah. For this is directly use the another feeding pot to feed the wood branch.
Yeah.
You can see,
The logs
yeah.
into the machine and you can get the power.
Yes.
The wood power.
For some customer, they have some of the material like this, the wood block, the small wood block, or is many times the wood block. Can use this machine make wood sawdust. Then the wood sawdust is useful. Yeah, this is a video about you can see the we process the wood log.
Yeah. The diameter about 114
Yes.
millimeter.
You can see this video is we make is very small wood sawdust.
Yeah.
The capacity is small. Okay, and you if you want to the more small the wood sawdust wood powder, and then the capacity is small.
Yeah. The logs very big,
Yes.
but also easily to grind.
Yes. So for our customer, if you want to process the big diameter, the wood can choose the bigger type.
Yes.
Okay, this is process some the small wood board directly through the bigger feeding pot. You can feed many the small wood board at one time.
Yeah. You check the final pieces. Yeah. Different real material, but the final pieces are similar.
Yes.
This video.
Yes, this is we test. You know, some customer they want very finer the wood powder, so you can choose this method after the first time process the wood branch, make the wood sawdust. You think that is not very finer? You can process 2 times, and the final the wood the powder is very small.
Okay. Yeah, this is the diesel engine with the wheels. You check, and have the track and remove very easily.
Yes.
This time we use the diesel engine need the power bigger. This time we use the 22 horsepower diesel engine.
Yes. And for this machine, like you can see the machine, the handle part is have a tow. You can use your car like a tractor. You can directly and drive your car and remove the machine easily.
Yeah, very easy.
And if you can if you not use this machine, you can park your family. And if you want to use this machine, go to your farm, you can use your car or tractor, drive this machine, go to your farm.
Yeah. Okay. Let's say our wood shaving machine. Yeah, this is our wood shaving machine. The small type,
Yes.
420, and this time we customized.
Yes.
The machine we add the screen and the hammers in the machine internal. So you can see the final pieces is very small.
Yes.
It's suitable. This type is suitable the chicken and the duck,
Yes.
small animals.
Yes, the small chick, they are small. For euros, the wood shavings is bigger, and so use this the wood custom wood shaving machine because the small wood shaving and is suitable for the small chick.
Yes.
Yes, this is we test the wood shaving machine processes the wood branch.
Yeah, this is our organized tab. Usually tab.
Yes.
Yeah, you can see the shaving is very big
Yes.
and very beautiful.
Yes.
This tab we mainly use for horse,
Yes.
pig, and another bigger animals
Yes.
for this tab.
Like the house and jump. Okay, also okay.
Yes. Yeah, please check this tab.
You can see this is the process. The shorter the wood branch make the wood shaving. And for this machine, the capacity is for the smallest type for home use. The capacity is okay. You can see the machine video. The shavings is lighter and more. The thickness is very thin.
Yes. Yeah, our machine is very. We use a blade. It's very hardly, so don't worry. Any logs. So any logs we can cutting,
Yes,
and don't worry. If the machine cannot cutting the shavings, it's okay. Yeah,
yes.
don't worry.
For this year and last year, is more and more customers they want to feed some animal, especially the chick, and for make the chick band. This machine is very suit for you. And also, if you need other feed chick machine and feed like a cow, like sheep, we can also can offer. Yeah, this is processes the small wood the board.
Yes. Yeah, very beautiful the final pieces.
Yes.
Yeah, the final piece is play check. It's very small and okay. Yeah, this is machine internal, and this time we add the hammers in the machine internal.
Yes.
So this type of for cutting the small shaving for small animals.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, let's see another. Yeah,
Yeah.
this are with a brush machine.
Yes. With a branch crush machine, this is our customer the using video. You can see is easily and the capacity is very higher.
Yeah. This video is our
New Zealand. Yes.
customer feedback for us. The color is blue, and usually we use the yellow type. Yellow.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, is we our normal is the color is yellow type, and most people is choose the diesel engine type. You can see the video is process the wood branch to make the small wood sawdust and wood chips.
Yes. We test it in factory.
Yes, you can see you just feed the wood branch and easily to feed.
This time we can cut in the 120 millimeter the logs.
Yes, for this machine you can see the outlet port. We can adjust the different angle. Yes,
Yeah, please check this. This time we have full machine together test,
yes,
and this the diesel engine and the electrical motor type. Yeah, please check. It's very strong. The weight branch with leaves.
yes. This is we mainly process the branch have the leaves. And Europe for the city, the garden process, the garden, the waste is use this machine.
Yeah, this time also the wells, so remove very easily. Don't worry. Although the machine is very weight, but don't worry, it's very easily for move.
Yes. And about the machine user, when the machine ship is already installed, and you can see this machine is through the roller process the branch, then cutting and is easily operate.
Yeah, this tab is a track tab, PTO tab. It's very convenient for the another area, no electrical, the electrical. Yeah, for tractor it's very convenient. Yeah, to check. It's the machine very stronger.
Yes, this is our machine pictures.
Yeah, our stock. And this is the big tap. Yeah, it's for 4 wheels, and the diesel engine is 100 horsepower. And the outlet we can change it.
Yes, and for this is the capacity is more bigger.
Yeah, about 5 tons to 8 tons 1 hour.
Yes.
This blade in the machine internal.
Yes.
It's also we use the high-speed steel.
Yes, and this blade, the two side, both can cutting the wood branch.
Yeah, this is a radio.
It processes the fresh the wood branch.
Yeah, very beautiful, the big tap.
Yes.
The color we use the yellow, and we can also use another color to your request. The blue and the gray, the red is also okay.
Yes, this is machine.
Machine internal. Yeah.
Yes.
The blade.
Yes.
There I have the small tap we have 4 blades,
Yes.
and the big tap we have the 6 and 8 blades. Yeah, the final pieces.
Yes.
And with the delivery picture and the shipping picture. We also use a wooden case packing. Okay, let's see our factory.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, this is our factory. Yeah, this is our the chip cutter, glass crusher for animals feeding processing machinery.
Yes. You can see our machine, not only the forest machine and other, the top cutter, the feed animal machine, we also is mainly produce. If you have interest, you can contact us.
Yeah, this is a wood chipper.
Yes.
Yellow wood chipper.
Yes, this is with the electric type.
Yeah, electrical box.
Yes, have the motor panel and for more safety and
Yeah.
easily.
Yeah.
Yes, about the feeding port, if you are not use, you can close it.
Yeah, this is a wood chipper. Big wood chipper. Wood sawdust is our factory.
Yes, our forest machine actually is one big series, and according to the different function, we will have about 4 type wood processing machine. And then if you want to process the wood branch, wood log, or others would block, would scrap, you can contact us. We will offer the suitable machine.
Yeah, please check our factory. Introduce our factory in this video. Our office. Yeah, test the machine before shipping. The stock. The corn sheet. Chip cutter. Wood chipper.
Yes, too much type the machine.
Yeah. And
And
our factory is very big. Our factory be found in 1988.
yes,
Yeah, have 40 years experience.
yes,
Yeah, chip cutter.
yes,
Okay, let's we see the introduce our chip cutter and another machine. Yeah, this is our 9ZR series, the grass crusher. It's our the new type.
yes.
This is our this year we our new model.
Yes, is we update the top cutter and it's very hard selling in our country now, and more customer from foreign ask this machine. You can see this machine's capacity is big and easy operate, have the automatic feeding type.
Yeah, this real material is straw, the high
Yes.
straw.
Also can process the green straw also is okay.
Yeah, this is our big table. This table we have three models, 3 tons tab and 4 tons tab and 6 ton tab, and this is a
Yes.
6 ton tab. It's very stronger. This is a 4 tons tab,
Yes.
and yeah.
It belongs the middle type.
Yeah, the color we can customize. And this the green and the yellow,
Yes.
and we have orange color. And this is the 4 tons tab for cutting stock.
Yeah, for this new type series machine, the Mazia series both has automatic feeding. And this type just need to match the 4 kilowatt, the motor is okay. And also if you want to match the diesel engine, we also can custom.
Yeah, this tab is a diesel tab. We can use diesel engine. Yeah, also diesel engine is our customer feedback to us. Yeah, this is the 6 ton tab. Yes, It will use the 15 horsepower, like electrical.
Yeah, you can
The
see.
diesel.
Yes, automatic. The chain is steel, and the speed is high speed. The capacity is bigger.
Yeah, this type is it's very suitable for the farmers for feeding animals.
Yes, if you have the much the cattle, the sheep, and this machine is most suitable for you.
Yeah, it's cutting grass very small and very suitable for the animals.
Yes, for this new type machine is different with the before the traditional type cutter. This machine also named type cutter and kneading machine. It will have two process, and the first is cutting the grass or straw. After through the triangle blades is kneading the straw and the grass, make it more finer and more smaller.
Yeah. There in the machine internal is there the full blade, and the blade we have two types, and one type is high speed pieces, and the another is the original uh, the original type.
Yes.
So and there are three rulers in the machine internal, and one ruler is arranging the real material, and another two type is uh, for cutting the real material, and the hand has this part for adjust the distance for final pieces.
Yes, this machine also, if you want to process the fresh and the finer branch, some cattle also need feed some the fresh is green the branch. Also can use this machine.
Yes, let's we see another tab. Our very hot selling tab. This is 3D videos. Our 9ZP series small tab chip cutter. This is our 9ZP 0.4 tab. Yeah, this is 3D radio.
And it can more clear learn the machine how to work.
Yeah, it's parameter. The capacity about 400 to 1,200 kg 1 hour, and the machine weight about 50 kg. Not real. It should be 53 kg.
Yes.
And the power we usually use the 2.2 and 3 kilowatts.
Yes.
The motor speed is 2,800.
For this machine is very hard sorting because this is the smallest type chop cutter and feed many type animal and is very suitable for own use. If you want to feed animal for in your own family use, you can choose this type.
Yeah, this is a 3D video. You can clearly see the machine working. And this will test machine.
Yes, this is our customer visit our factory and directly test the machine, processes the corn straw. The effort is very good.
Yes.
You can see the machine, the capacity, and easily processes the corn straw is so smooth. Yes, this video both as the electric type. We also can match the gasoline engine, the diesel engine is okay.
Yeah. And the color has a red and green and another color. We can customize it according to your request. Yeah, this is the green tab.
Yeah, for this machine, user or customer asks the 4 PC blades and the 6 PC blade and automatic feeding type, and this is the 4 PCs the blade type.
Yeah.
And yes,
The final pieces we can adjust
yes,
the different size. It also has the wheels and the move very easily. This tab is another tab. It has two inlets. Yeah,
yes,
this inlet for the another vegetables for
yes.
this.
The square, the feeding pot processes vegetables and some like a potato, uh, other vegetable is okay. Is some customer will have some vegetable need process for feed animal, but like potato is not easy for feed animal, and the user machine can directly is cutting the vegetable.
Yeah, this is our 9ZF series, also good tab, selling tab, our wholesaling tab. This table has two inlets. This inlet is for greens like corn,
Yes.
wheat,
Corn.
and another inlet for grass, cutting grass and stock and so on.
Yes.
For feeding animals, very good, very suitable for
Yes.
animals. Yeah, this is another inlet, cutting grass, wheat grass. For this tab, we have four models. Four models. Yeah, this is our big model, biggest model.
Yes, for this machine have the 3 outlet port. You can according to you want to the final pieces and different material, choose which outlet port you need.
Yeah, it's also the big tab, the grand green.
Yes.
Check.
Yes, forfeit especially the cow forfeit. Some climate is feed is plant the corn process all corn cob corn the seeds corn straw. Yeah, use this machine is okay. Can process all corn. Yes, the last the last feeding the outlet pot is can use the one bag collect the green powder and for feed animal.
Yes. Yeah, this color is the orange and white.
Yes.
And another, we have another color. Yeah, this is the machine with wheels and the diesel engine.
Yes, is process is wheat. Some customer also want to feed animal with wheat because the nutrition is higher, and this machine also is okay. And the final piece is small and also can according to the screen size and it chooses a different.
Yeah, this is the grand green. The whole coin
Yes.
to check.
It's not a need to remove the cornseeds, for some feed some animals. The corn cob is also is okay. Is it make the powder, and also for this machine you can match another the feed pellet machine that will be a simple feed line after you process the green or make a grass powder, then mix feed into the feed pellet machine, make a feed pellet and save more long time.
Yes. Yeah, this video is the machine cutting draw grass.
Yes.
Yeah, it's very strong. And this is the wheat grass.
Yes.
And the distance of final pieces we can adjust also in there.
Yes, is process the fresh, the corn straw is have much water and the total weight is higher, and so uh, is cannot blow out too much distance.
Yes, and this is our the cutting the small branches. Yeah, for diesel engine.
Yes,
Yeah, the final pieces the wood branches.
yeah, the final wood branch in for feed sheep is all very good.
Yeah, this is we use the small size the
The screen make
screen. Yeah.
the grass powder.
Yes. Get the grass power. Yeah. This is our modern tab. Yeah, let's we see another. Our 9ZP 1.5 and 1.8.
Yes, this machine is recently we update and is very hot selling for this machine is also only use a single phase motor and the capacity is bigger and suited for small farm and for own use also the capacity is bigger. You no need to process much time for one day. You can choose this. It's very suitable and I recommend this machine.
Yeah, this tab is our the gasoline engine tab. Yeah, this video is our feedback, our customer feedback to us from Philippines.
Yes, it's very good.
Yeah, this time we already use the 7.5 horsepower gasoline.
Yes.
Yeah, please check the final pieces.
Yes.
The final pieces. Huh? 加热了。Okay.
Okay, let's continue introduce our machine. Yes,
Yeah.
and my colleague July.
This 3D radio.
Yes, my colleague July is very want to selling this machine.
Yeah, but she cannot selling it.
Yes.
What's the reason?
Yes, we need more customer and for this machine